Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Pattern Study Center. Today we are going to see the MCQ here. Class 10 CBSE NCRT Geography here. Chapter Resources and Development, that's important for the board exam view here. Today the Pattern Study Center discuss the most important MCQ here. The MCQ is the most important for the exam view. Important also here, there is a on your textbooks here the MCQ taking here. Let's see first question here. The first MCQ here, black soil are common in. Black soils are common in. The option here, four option, you see Deccan Trough region, Kashmir Valley, Ganga Valley, Northern Plain. That's important. Four option. You know that. Come on. It's a test your knowledge. You get a few seconds. You must have a thought of you answer. That's important. Let's see what is our answer this question. That's important. Know that is a Kashmir Valley is a black soil, so nothing is present here. And Ganga Valley, the nothing. And Northern Plains also nothing. But answer here, A, Deccan Trough region. A, Deccan Trough region. That's important here. And let's see next question. On your screen, the question here, laterite soils are very useful for a growth. That's important. Laterite soil are very useful for a growing rice, wheat and mustard. First option. Second here, tea, coffee and kasam nut. And C here, pulses, sugarcane and resin. And third, none of the above. You know that is the most important question. Come on, test your knowledge. I'm giving you. Get a few seconds. You know, you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. That's important here. First of all, analyze this question. The rice, wheat and mustard does not grow for here laterite soil. That's important. And pulses, sugarcane and resin does not grow a laterite soils here. And none of the above, there's nothing is possible. But the answer here, B. The B, tea, coffee and kasam nut. Because this is growing for a laterite soils very easily. That's important here. Let's see next question. The question arrive here on screen. Black soil is deficient in. You know that is important. Black soil is a deficient in. The option here, calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, phosphoric contaminants. That's the most important for the black soil deficient here. Come on, test your first of all your knowledge, and I give you few seconds. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. The question is most interesting. Black soil is deficient in. You know that deficient in. Calcium carbonate is nothing here. Magnesium not applicable here. But potassium is also not applicable. But answer our phosphoric content. You know that is important. The black soil is a deficient in phosphoric content. That's important answer. Let's see next question. Next question arrive in your screen. The question here, in which of the following state is a black soil found? You know that is an important question. In which of the following state is black soil found? That's important and easy question here. The option here Jammu and Kashmir, B is Gujarat, C is Rajasthan, and D Jharkhand. That's important option here. First of all, you guess, test your knowledge. I'm gonna give you few seconds. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. In which of the following state is a black soil found? That's important. An important answer here. Jammu and Kashmir, there is not a black soil found here. First of all, Rajasthan also is a desert area, but Jharkhand is not a thing found a black soil. But is Gujarat is the most important here of a black soil area, because some part of Gujarat there is a Bhuj, but most of the area here a black soil is found. That's important answer on this questions here. Let's see next question. Next question on your screen. The question is the most important and interesting here. What percentage of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy? You know that this question is most important. First of all, you understand this question. What percentage of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy 1952? That's important. The option here 33%, B here 22.5%, C is a 31%, D is a 30%. You know that the maximum answer here or 30 is around here. But first of all, test your knowledge. I'm giving you few seconds. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. The question understand? What percentage of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy is 1952. That's important question here for the exam view. You know that the all answer is around a 30. The first of all B is here 22.5 eliminate. You know that, and C is a 31, that is also eliminate, and 30 is D here eliminate. But option is here answer B. B is a correct answer for this question. There is a 33% of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy. This is a according year in a 1952, not a present. It is according 1952. That's important. And let's see next question. The next question is very interesting. Material is the environmental which have to the potential to satisfy human needs. What human beings do not have appropriate of technology to be assessed them are called. That's important question here. The materials in the environment which have the potentially to satisfy humans need, but human beings do not have appropriate technology to be assessed them is called. The option here potential resources, stock, development resource, reserves. That's the fourth option. This is the most important regarding this. But first of all, you test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for this question. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. You know that question, understand you? The materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy the human needs. That's an important question here. The answer here, that's important. Potential resources are not applicable on these questions. And development resources, nothing here. And reserves, that's a no. But the answer is B, stock. Answer here B, stock. The materials is the environment which have to the potential safety human needs. There is a stock. That's important answer here. And let's see next question. The next question on your screen. The question here, India has a territorial water extend up to a distance of. You know that's an important question. India has a territorial water extend up to a distance of. The option here, 12 kilometer, 12 nautical mile, 19.2 miles, 200 nautical miles. That's important option here. First of all, you test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for this question. Knowledge your. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. That's important. You know that the two options is already here. Eliminate because this is a very different for this answer. First here A, 12 kilometers eliminate, and C, 99.2 miles. There is here two answer is here important. 200 nautical miles, B, 12 nautical miles. That's important. But answer is a 1. There is answer is a B, 12 nautical mile. That's important answer here. 12 nautical mile. That's important. Let's see next question. The next year question, resources that take a long geological time for their formation is called. You know that's important. The resources that take a long geologically time for their formation is called. The four options that's the most important. Renewable resources, reserve, B and C community resources, D here non-renewable resources. You know that is the most important option here. I give you few seconds for a test your knowledge. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The question is an interesting resource that take a long geological time for their formation is called. First of all, renewable resource is not applicable here. Renewable resource is not here. Reserve is also rejected here. And community resource, nothing here. The answer here, non-renewable resource. Because their formation of, there is a longer geological time here. That is a non-renewable resource. The answer is a D, non-renewable resources. The next year, area sown more than once in an agriculture year plus net sown area is known as. You know that the question is most interesting here. Area sown more than once in an agriculture year plus net sown area is known as. The first of all here, net sown area. You know that there is a answer is a misprint here. And B is a forest cover, C is a wasteland, and D is a gross cropped area. You know that's important. There is a most important. First of all, I give you few seconds, test your knowledge. That's important here. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question. You know that the eliminative method is the most important applicable on this question. First of all, net sown area is eliminate here. And forest cover is not a applicable answer here. And also here, wasteland is not a suitable for this answer. But gross cropped area, that's important answer. The answer is the ninth here, a D, gross cropped area. That's important. And let's see next question. The next question arrive here on screen. The total degraded land in our country is. The total degraded land in our country is. That's important question here. The option is the most interesting. A, 133 million hectare. Second here B, 113 million square kilometer. And C, 140 millions hectare. And D is 130 million hectare. You know that's important. So first of all, your knowledge here strike there. But take a few seconds, test your knowledge first of all. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. That's important. You know that first of all use a elimination method. Elimination method asks here a B directly eliminate because 130 million square kilometer is not applicable here. The answer is a 3, but answer is a here 1. A is a 133 million hectare is not a favorable answer. There is not a favorable answer. And 140 million hectare, there is a higher number here. But the center is a D answer. 130 million hectare, that is a good answer. 130 million hectare, the answer of 10th question here. The next question, the important arrive here. In which of the following state mining has a causing serve as a land degradation? The mining is the most important degradations for the land here. The option is the most interesting. First of all, Gujarat. Second is a Jharkhand. And third is a Kerala. And fourth is a Uttaranchal. You know that's the most important state mining has a causing serve a land degradation. That's an important question. I give you few seconds. Test your knowledge and IQ level. You must have a thought for your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. The question is the most interesting. The state mining has a causing a server land degradation. You know that the land degradation. You know that the Gujarat is not a mining has a causing a server land degradation. And Kerala, nothing is a mining here. Is a and Uttaranchal is nothing. But maximum mining casing here are causing a Jharkhand. So our answer is a B, Jharkhand. The Jharkhand is the state here. Mining has a causing a server land degradation here. That's an important question for the exam view. The next question on your screen. The question is which of the following types of resource is iron ore? You know that is the most important and interesting question here. Which one of the following types of resource is iron ore? The first of all here renewable, biotic, flow, a non-renewable. That's an important option. Take a few seconds. Thought your answer. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. That's important. You know that the resource is iron ore is not a renewable. First of all, rejected here first option renewable. But B is not a biotic. Biotic and non-biotic. You understand? Biotic is a living thing. There is a iron ore is not a living thing. And C is a flow. That is a already reject here. But answer our D, non-renewable. The iron ore is a non-renewable. That's the most important answer here. And intelligent questions. The non-renewable answer here D. The next question on your screen. The question here under which of the following types of resource can tide energy be put? That's important and intelligent question here. Under which of the following types of resource can a tidal energy be put? The option here replace sustainable, B is a human made, C is a abiotic, and D is a non-renewable. That's the most important option here. Come on, test your knowledge and IQ level. I give you few seconds. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. That's important. Under which of the following types of resources can tidal energy to be put? That's important. That's important. But tidal energy is not a human made. The human made is already rejected. And biotic is not a variable in this question. And non-renewable is rejected here. But our one answer is here. Remind that there is a A. A is a replaceable. That's important. Is a tidal energy is a replaceable energy here. That's important answer for the exam view. Answer is a A. Replaceable energy here. On your screen, next question that's important. Which one of the following is the main cases of land degradation in Punjab? You know that's important. Which one of the following is the main cases of land degradation in Punjab? That is important question. First option here, intensive cultivation. Second here, deforestation. And C is over irrigations, and D is over grazing. The option is most interesting here. Let see your answer and test your knowledge. I give you a few seconds. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. That's an interesting question here. The main cause of land degradation in Punjab. You know that intensive cultivation, there is not a degradation the land in the Punjab. First option is rejected. And deforestation, that is rejected here. That's not a here. And overgrazing, it is not applicable. The answer here, over irrigation, because there are production for Punjab the maximum. There is a reason here, over irrigation. There is a causing of land degradation in Punjab. That's important answer, over degradation of C option. The next question here, in which one of the following state is a trace cultivation practiced here? That's important here. In which one of the following state is trace cultivation? The option is interesting. Punjab, plan of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Uttaranchal. That's the four option. Is interesting. Test your knowledge first of all. I give you a few seconds. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. That's important here. The question, first of all, understand state is a trace cultivation. State is a trace cultivation practiced here. That's important question. Punjab, there is nothing here. Plan of the Uttar Pradesh is the nothing, and Haryana is nothing here. But Uttaranchal is the most important answer for this question. The answer is a D. Answer is here D. That's important. And let's see next question. The question on your screen, the question here, the main cases of land degradation in Punjab, Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh is. You know that there is the most important. The answer is also important. Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. The causing of land degradation. You know that is the most important question asking their examiner. That's important. The option here, mining over irrigations, deforestation over grazing. That's important. You take a few seconds for to test your IQ knowledge first of all. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. The question here, main causing of land degradation in Punjab. Land degradation in Punjab, Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh. You know that the answer is also is intelligent. The mining is nothing here. Mining is nothing, and deforestation is not applicable on this area, and overgrazing is nothing is applicable. But there is a B, over irrigation, because Punjab is already, I have question done. The Punjab is a maximum is irrigation. There is a over irrigation in the here Punjab, Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh, the causing of land degradation. The answer here B, over irrigation. That's important. Let's see next question. On your screen, there is next question arrive here. The question is, which is the most common soil of northern India? Which is the most common soil of northern India? That's important question. The option here, black soil, laterite soil, alluvial soil, red soil. The option is the most important. You take a few seconds. First of all, test your knowledge. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. That's an important question. Most common soil of northern India. There is a most common soil northern India. That's important question here. The black soil, there is a nothing. Black soil, nothing. Laterite soil with not a present of here in northern India. And red soil is a northern is a nothing find here. But answer is remind here C, alluvial soil. That's important. The question is the most common soil of northern India is a alluvial soil. That's the most important answer for the exam view. The next question on your screen, there's an important question here. The red soil is mostly found in. The red soil is mostly found in. The question is direct. And the option here, parts of Jammu and Kashmir. B here, upper Ganga plain. C is the eastern and southern part of Deccan plateaus. And D is the none of the above. You know that is the 4 option is the most interesting. You know that. Come on, test your knowledge. I give you a few seconds. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. The question is clear. Red soil is mostly found. Red soil is mostly found where? That's the question. It's the most important. Part of Jammu Kashmir is nothing present here, red soil, and upper Ganga plain is no present in the red soil, and none of the above there is cancel here. The answer is here C. The eastern and southern part of Deccan plateaus present of red soil mostly found in this area. The answer is a C. The C is red soil mostly found in eastern and southern part of Deccan plateau. That's important answer for the exam view. The next question on your screen, the question here, red soil is a reddish in color due to. That's important question. Red soil is a reddish in color due to reason. The option A, high clay content. B, a presence of conker nodules in the subsoil. And C, diffusion of iron is a igneous and metamorphic rock. And D, a high moisture content. That's important option here. First of all, I give you few seconds. Test your knowledge. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. Question is very clear. Red soil is a reddish in color due to the reasons give here. Due to the high clay content, nothing is the answer here. A is rejected. The B, presence of kangra nodules in the subsoil. This is also rejected here. And high moisture content. There's not a moisture content. There's already reject here. The answer here, diffusion of iron. Iron is a reddish. Iron is igneous and metamorphic rock. That's important answer C. The red soil reddish in color due to diffusion of iron in the igneous and metamorphic rock. That's important And let's see next question. On your screen, there is the next question. Which of the following is not important for a soil formation? You know that's important. Which of the following is not important for soil formation? The option are leaf, parent rock, climate, duration of the day. You know that the option is most important here. First of all, you take a few seconds and test your knowledge. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. The question is very clear. There is a flowing is not important for soil formation. That's important. The not a soil formations. That's important. You know that relief is important. The relief is important for soil formation. And parent rock that's important for the soil formation. And climate is the most important. But the D answer is the most important. Duration of day. There is a not about the answer here. The D option is correct here. It is not important for the soil formation. Duration of day. D. On your screen, there is the next question. Black soil is called. Soil is called. What is called? There is A. Bhangar, B is a Khadar, C is a Ragur, and D is a Human. That's an important option is a 4 here. You know that. You take a few seconds for this answer. First of all, you test your knowledge. You have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question here. Black soil is called is not a Bhangar. Black soil is not called to Bhangar. And Khadar also nothing. Humus is nothing. The black soil is also called here Ragur. C option is the correct answer. It's 21 question. The C answer is correct. It's Ragur. The Ragur is a black soil is called or the second name here. And the next question on your screen. Which of the flowing soil has a self aeration capacity? That's important question here. Soil has a self aeration capacity. The A option is most important, alluvial. B is a red soil, C is a black soil, and D mountain soil. You know that's important option and important question. First of all, take your few seconds, test your IQ knowledge. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. The question is a very clear cut. Soil has a self-aeration capacity. Reason being here, there's a nothing alluvials and not a red soil and not a mountain soil. That is the answer is a black soil. C option is correct here. C, black soil. Black soil is a correct. Check your answer. Next question on your screen. The question here, which of the following is not a measuring for a soil conservation? You know that's important. Which of the following is not a measuring for a soil conservation? That's an important question. An option is strip cropping, B is the tracing cultivations, C shuttle belt, D over drawings and groundwater. That's important option here. You know that. First of all, your answer is important. Test your knowledge. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. The option is here, strip cropping. Strip crops is nothing here. Soil is a conservation here. And tracing cultivation is also reject here. And shuttle belt is nothing but overdrawings of groundwater as D option is correct. There is not a measuring for the soil conservation is overdrawings over ground water. That's an important answer. Next question. The next question here, land that is left uncultivated for a more than a 5 agriculture year is called. That's important and most important question here. Land that is left uncultivated for the more than a 5 agricultural year is called. The first option is a pastures land. Second is a cultivable wasteland. and C is a brand land, and D is a current flow. That's an important option. You know that. You take a few seconds and test your IQ knowledge. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. That's important here. You know that posture land is not a here, and brand land is nothing, and current follow that's nothing more than 5 agriculture is called. That's not a here. The answer is a culturable wasteland. The answer is a B, culturable wasteland. That's important answer here. And the let's next question here. The question here, a plumbing along the contours, line that are delicate, there is a flow of water down to the slope is called. You know that the question is very interesting. Plumbing along the contour, line that are delicate, there is a flow of water down the slope is called. That's important question. The option is also important. Trip scraping, sheet erosion, counter plugins and trace cultivation. That is important. And answer your very easy. First of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer this question. You know that is important. There is answer is a clear cut. Clear cut because the plugging. There is a plugging is a contour line. The trip scraping is a knot, as a seed it is a knot, trash cultivation knot. But answer here contour plugging. That's important. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as a much as a possible. Do not think subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.